Hello everyone, class 8. Here I am your science teacher Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. And here I have to solve the assessment and exercise given to your previous chapter number 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Here are the some questions given on page number 65. First question is given as objective type question, that is MCQ, multiple choice question, in which first one given, pick the synthetic fiber out of the following: synthetic, jute, cotton, wool, that is a animal, and nylon. Nylon is a synthetic fiber. First one answer will be the nylon. Next, which of the following is a source of rayon? Wood pulp, wool, pet silk, wood pulp, that is second number, wood pulp. This is the right answer. The material similar to the silk in appearance is rayon. B, rayon. Next is 3. The most suitable material for the preparation of handles of cooking utensil is polythene, nylon, bakelite, PVC. That is a PVC. Polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. Which of the following is not a common properties of the plastic? Non-reactive, that's good. Light in weight, that's fine. Durable, good conductor of electricity. Durable must be assumed, but good conductor of electricity, that is the incorrect. B, good conductor of electricity. These are all about these are the all answer. Now next, question number 6. Which of the following present the correct match for item in column A to the column B? Nylon, PVC, bakelite. Nylon nylon is a thermostatic plastic, first, and second PVC is a thermo. Nylon is a fiber, third. First one has the third. PVC is thermoplastic and bakelite is a thermostatic plastic. So the answer of the first is number third, and second one is first and third one is second, that is a B. Option number B. Question number 6, B. Which of the following groups contain all the synthetic substance? Nylon, terylene, wool, PVC, polythene, bakelite, cotton, polycot, rayon, acrylic, silk, wool. PVC, polythene and bakelite. PVC, polythene and bakelite. These are the synthetic fiber. Answer number C. 7C. 8. The material which is commonly used for making kitchen containers is kitchen container. PVC, Teflon, that is Teflon. C, 8C, Teflon. These are all about that MCQ. Second one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Synthetic materials are made by First synthetic material is made by man. Plastic or heat plastics are heat resistant. The plastic do not soften on heating and cannot be reshaped. Thermostatic plastic. Third one. Thermostatic plastic. I have taken the place of many traditional material because they last for a long time. I have taken the place of many traditional material. Many traditional material. Okay, we will do this later. Next to that, the best way to dispose the discharged plastic is to dispose the plastic, that is 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. So this is about, and next one is the first fully synthetic fiber. The first fully synthetic fiber is that is polymer, polyethylene, aniline, aniline, the fiber is polyester. This is wrong. Nylon. Nylon is the plastic that is first created. Okay. Now, second one. A fiber similar to wool is the fiber which is similar to wool, that is acrylic, I think. Let it check. That is acrylic. Or acrylic fiber. This is resemble to wool. Next is a plastic used for making crockery. Crockery item is made for the which type of a plastic? crockery item made by plastic. Which type of a plastic? So that is almost same plastic. Plastic. Thermosetting plastic. Next is indicate whether the following statements are true or false. So first one given as the fabric terry wool is obtained by mixing terylene and wool. ये true statement है. And synthetic fiber do not melt on heating. This is false. Some or the synthetic material get melt. That is false. It is risky to wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. True. Why? Because the synthetic material catches fire very easily. So it is very risky. Question number 4. Most of the plastic are biodegradable. False. Not most of plastic are biodegradable. Some of the plastic are biodegradable, while the others are all non-biodegradable. Very short answer. What is the synthetic fiber? Write down. Very short answer question. First answer. The fiber made by the man are called synthetic fiber. The fiber that is made by the man are called synthetic fiber. Next, why is food stored in a plastic container? Food stored in plastic container because due to maintain its heat. Next, what is the difference between the raw material used in the rayon and nylon? The rayon, answer number 3. Rayon between raw material, wood pulp, and nylon coal, air, water. Coal, air, water. Nylon is made up of coal, air and water. Petroleum as well. And petroleum. And rayon. Rayon is the material which is made by wood pulp. So this is the answer. Answer number 4. Answer number 4 is bakelite and polyethylene are both plastic, but there is one major difference between them. What is this difference? polyethylene. Answer number 4. Polyethylene. Polyethylene and bakelite. Chain of long chemical material. And the rest of others like bakelite is what? It is a hard and tough poor plastic. It is bakelite, hard and tough plastic, poor conductor of heat and electricity, poor conductor of heat and electricity. You can write it like this one, tough and durable, tough and durable, and can be changed into any shape, and can change into any shape. This cannot be changed into any shape, but this one change into any shape. Next is